So step number 1, take a piece of paper, fold it in half, then take one side and fold it in half again to meet the fold.
Draw your character with a pencil on the fold. Make sure you are drawing first with your paper closed. Open it up and join the ends, adding all the details you want inside the fold. It looks like the fish is opening its mouth when you fold open your paper. Make sure all the details match each other. When you are satisfied with how the drawing looks, retrace it with a black marker carefully. How can we color in the fish, Miss Baker?
This is the folded surprise drawing.
Maybe some of our students need more examples. Could you explain it again, please?
You're going to, with pencil first, draw your picture on the folded piece of paper, open it up, and continue your drawing.
You are great, Miss Baker. Let's see more examples.